Sino ang mag-aakala na sa pusod ng Taytay Rizal ay matatagpuan natin ang tila yata pinakamagagandang koleksyon ng mga furnitures na nababagay hindi lamang sa inyong mga tahanan at sa inyong mga gardens, maging sa inyong mga opisina. At syempre, being in a province like this, it creates the ambience where you will be embraced by nature in a garden setting and a cafe like this. Simply called Sticks Design, this furniture studio creates functional pieces even from the most whimsical of furniture desires. As such, the studio boasts of having one-of-a-kind or limited edition pieces. And while they also design and craft reproducible lines, they would gladly modify their design to suit individual needs. Ano ba uso ngayon? Ano mga uso mga bahay?
Ang uso kasi ngayon is more on modern, contemporary. And then, yung iba, mas preferred nila yung mixture ng modern and then yung mga traditional furniture.
Okay, pag sinabi mong modern and contemporary, ano?
Modern contemporary is yung something na furniture na from traditional na mino-modernize na. Like, yun nga, let's say for a traditional chair na, di ba before, puro old wood yung color niya, yung brown, dark brown. Yung ngayon, mino-modernize siya by means of repainting it with yun nga, bright colors o kaya one solid color lang siya. So, sa ngayon maraming choices, depende na rin sa preferences ng client.
Ano ang mga basic elements na dapat makikita doon? Yung isang sabi mong bachelor's pad, ano ba?
Okay. For units naman, syempre yung basic is yung layout niya, yung plan. So, dapat yung pinaka-layout niya is something na comfortable kapag gumagalaw.
Alright.
And then yung mga needs niya, like kung for a bedroom, syempre nga, bed, basta yung things na or items na will not cause clutter.
Stick Design likes clean lines and simple forms that evoke a casual and contemporary feel. In all cases, their creations must speak of purpose and pure delight, unbridled imagination, and impeccable craftsmanship. Pag may client ka, ano yung, do you really suggest or do you ask? What do you do more? Suggest or ask?
Pareho.
Both.
Kasi kailangan marinig mo yung side ng client, kung ano yung gusto nila. And then at the same time, yung sa part ng designers, doon naman yung magsasuggest ka which one is better. Kasi yung clients, meron silang gusto na hindi naman suited for the area. Or kung meron talaga silang gusto, and then napapansin mo parang hindi siya bagay, medyo minomodify yun para mag-suit in siya dun sa area. Stick Design's furniture find immediate appreciation at 14-4 Cafe as they lend an eclectic bohemian allure to this quaint diner, endearingly referred to as a chill place by those who are addicted to its unique charm and home-style cooking.
Hi, Miss Nikki.
Hi.
Sobrang ganda ng ambience mo.
Thank you very much.
Why 14-4 Cafe?
Well, actually, it's 14-4 because this is the 144th house on the road. So it's 14-4, 144 Magnolia Lane.
Ano yung best food na pwede mo i-recommend for us? No?
Well, our best sellers are what you have in front of you, which is the sesame crusted fish with herb aioli. And then our ossobuco, so we have like tapas and longanisas that we make ourselves. And the tapa too, we make it here. I'd like to invite everyone to come over to Taytay Rizal. This is called 144 Cafe. You can find us online, 144cafe.com. We're also on Facebook and Twitter as well, 144 Cafe.
At Stick Design and 144 Cafe, two interests, that of design and cooking, intertwined to create enterprises that are inspired by passion and bound by familial love.
For your homes and your family who lives in it.
For the designers and artists who are bringing out the best in it, we give
thumbs up.